Ndereti ya kana munini wa President William Ruto ari na umenyo ati President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga mari makorwo na ngwataniro netumurite miario miruru thutha wa atongoria kiama kia ODM gukararia uga wa Ruto makiuga Odinga ndari akorwo na thaa cia kwaraniria na Ruto. Ndumiriri ya mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna yuritie Kenya guteyaniirie miario ya Ruto akiuga gutiri hindi Ruto angirutithania wira na Odinga. Ruto muthenya wa ira tabarira-ini ya TV ya Citizen araugire ati Odinga ageretie maita mana gwetha gikaro nake gya kwaraniria na mangirutithania wira hamwe no ndari hindi angietikirire mubango ta ucio.
Raila Odinga approached me on 4 occasions. I declined to engage the former Prime Minister. And I declined for 2 reasons. If there is any engagement with anybody on matters politics, it has to start with President Uhuru Kenyatta.
I've asked him to embrace.
Odinga hamwe na atongoria angi a mung'ethaniro makoretwo makiuga ati ngwataniro iyo yari gatagati gake na Uhuru na hatiari bata wa kumenyeria Ruto ciegie ndugu iyo yake utongoria.
The president, being the leader that he is, asked me about my thoughts, and I gave him my thoughts. And he already knew that there were advances by the former Prime Minister to engage with me. So when I see people stand on a podium and say, oh, you know, William Ruto is not part of this, I just don't know how dishonest people can be.
Ona gutuika Ruto ni areganite na ngwataniro iyo kuma kiambiriria augite we ndari na wikitiga kumihimbiria kuna mutongoria wake ni amitikirite.
And the fact that he asked about my opinion, you know, means that he consulted. And I'm sure he consulted beyond me. He must have consulted other people, right? But it was my position. And you see, and my position was not far-fetched. It is also informed by history, my friend.
Ruto augite undu uria aguthie na mbere kuregana naguo ni igeria ria Odinga ria guthararia kiama kia Jubilee kiria akoragwo anyitiriire ta munini wa President Kenyatta utongoria-ini wa kiama kiu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kiama Kariuki.